Nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen, you all know it is a gas, and fixation means here we are fixing it in soil. So let us see what is nitrogen fixation. The process of fixing the atmospheric nitrogen, that is the nitrogen that are present in the atmosphere, into compounds of nitrogen, that is into a usable form that are used by plants, is called nitrogen fixation. So for this, several microbes, they help in fixing the nitrogen that are present in the atmosphere. And such microbes such as Rhizobium, it is involved in the fixation of nitrogen in leguminous plant. So what are leguminous plant? Plants like beans, peas, pulses, these are leguminous plant. And not only Rhizobium, blue-green algae also helps in fixing the nitrogen. Apart from that, nitrogen fixation also occurs by the action of lightning. See students, the plant, they cannot take the nitrogen that are present in the atmosphere in gaseous form. So these nitrogen that are present in the atmosphere is fixed by some bacteria present in the soil in some other form which plant can easily take it. So these are mainly converted into some other form so that the plant can easily take it, and these are done by some bacteria like Rhizobium. So the root of the root nodules of leguminous plant, they contain nitrogen fixing bacteria called Rhizobium, which convert the nitrogen gas into nitrogen compounds. Can you see here this diagram? So this is a leguminous plant. These are the roots of that plant, and in this root, can you see this small structure, red color structure? These are nodules. So Rhizobium, these are present in these nodules. And what it will do? It will convert the nitrogen gas present in the atmosphere into nitrogen compound. And from there, these nitrogen compounds are taken up by the plant. The Rhizobium and the leguminous plant, they show a symbiotic relationship. So what is symbiotic relationship? It means they both will help each other. They will live in a mutual understanding, or you can say mutual relationship. Both will help each other. The bacteria, we have studied that the bacteria Rhizobium will fix the atmospheric nitrogen for the legume plants, and in return, since the bacteria cannot synthesize their own food by photosynthesis, so the bacteria in return, it will take the food from this plant. So both, they are helping each other in living